Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you the Baliplus Tsunami clone V3. This one come with floating washers. The V1 and the V2 was coming with normal washers. So look like this. And just to specify, I think the V1 and the V2 was come with T8 both side, and I saw some people was complaining about it on Reddit. And now the V3, the screw are T9, but the pivots are T8. But well, just too old when you screw the other side, so that's still nice. And you saw the blade I mentioned in another video on my Kraken clone Baliplus. You see the perfect example about the blade. It's like galvanized, looks like galvanized, but it's not. It's stainless. It's just not well finished. So, but well, I'm gonna sand it like I sand my Kraken V3. So it's gonna be really more nice looking than now. So about the sound, it's not like a Kraken. It's pretty mute compared. And in the box, like all those clone, all those clone. You got I think it's the first clone I got with the blue one. All the other one was pink or green. So like I said, floating washers and a spare bushings, Loctite, and cheap Allenkeys. Not Allenkeys, but cheap Torque. That place for this, it's in your garbage for you're gonna. It's not even. You're gonna destroy your screw. Just buy Wea bits if you can. Wea screwdrivers. So that's pretty much it. I like it, but I still prefer my Kraken for real. The sound. That one is more grippy. I still like it, but so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to help the channel. Peace. Have a nice weekend.